What is up, kids? We are at the Rainforest Cafe inside of Disney's Animal Kingdom. It's been a while since we've been here, and I don't think we've ever done an official Disney dining review on it. I know we've done, videos inside, but we're gonna check it out. But because we started our morning in the park at Animal Kingdom, we are not going in the front entrance. This is the back entrance. So if you're coming from the Tree of Life that way, you turn and it's right over here. There is a nice little walkway, and this arch leads you straight to the Rainforest Cafe. So coming in the back way, you are greeted with the fountain area. The misters are going full force, and I don't want my camera to get wet, so I'm gonna walk around and show you the gator fountain and the mushroom umbrellas. They do have a tiki bar. It is not serving currently. I'm not sure if they do that at night or what the deal is. But we're gonna continue on our way through the mushrooms and across the bridge so that we don't get the camera wet in the misting area. Now again, I know that we come to Rainforest and T-Rex a lot, and I know that I harp on this a lot, and I promise Landry's isn't paying me for this, but you've got to get the Landry Select card. There is literally a ton of people waiting, and we've got about 5 minutes before we're seated. So we didn't have reservations, we just walked up with our Landry's card. It's worth it.
Sound of the 80s.
As per usual, it is super loud, so I don't even know if you can hear me, but I am super glad we're doing this again because last time I did it with my Sony and the low light was awful, and now you can actually see me. So let's look around, we'll show you the table, and then we're gonna order, we're gonna get our stuff, and I'll do an actual dining review instead of just showing you us here. I said in a previous review that I was going to add this to all Disney dining reviews. Not only is it on a Pokestop, it's on a gym. So yeah, points. Alright, so the food's here. We're gonna eat. I'm gonna let you know how it is. I'm pretty sure you know it's gonna be great. One of the reasons we like coming to Rainforest Cafe is they have one of the largest varieties as far as kids meals go, because you have everything from chicken nuggets to hot dogs to grilled cheese to mac and cheese. Like, they have a full spectrum. They also have the best value for kids meals, because this one right here, every time he gets, someone's got a volcano. It's called Shrimpkins, and it comes with both chicken nuggets and shrimp in the same price as the other kids meals. So he likes it. It's all good. But today I thought I would be a little brave and try the Beast Burger, which is their double burger. Now I'm holding this up to my head for comparison here. That's, it's bigger than my mouth. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I gotta put some ketchup and mustard on it, but I'm gonna let you guys know. That is a tasty burger. So you got the awesome appetizer adventure as a meal. What all is that?
Okay, so it's, I already ate one. It's egg roll. It's cheese sticks. It's chips with, it's like a crab spinach dip, I think. The cheese
Yeah.
chicken tenders. Pretty basic, you know. Some honey mustard. And then another side of egg rolls. The two sides of egg rolls.
Now it's loud and she doesn't want to shout over everything, but the reason she got that is because it's basically the same price as a meal and you get a ton of food. And if she doesn't finish it, I'll step in, you know, tag team, I'm good like that. We actually shared at T-Rex a similar appetizer platter like that they have, because T-Rex and Rainforest are very similar, like they're owned by the same company obviously, but we split one of those one time because it's a lot of food for the price of an entree. But I'm gonna try and tackle the Beast Burger. I'll let you know how I do. All right, so the Beast Burger is absolutely meant to be a fork and knife burger, but you know me, I ain't no wimp. Those are bite marks. I may have had to unhinge my jaw a little bit, but I'm taking it on. This burger's going down. It's good. It's just a tasty burger. It's tough to do burgers wrong, but this one's done right. Boy, all right, Beastly Burger conquered. Even I couldn't finish my fries after that. A lot of people order those volcanoes. Anyway, I'm gonna take a breather. Let's walk around and see some of the stuff this place has to offer, and then we'll close it out outside where maybe it's a little quieter. If you have watched any of our videos, you already know what our final verdict is going to be because we keep coming back to Rainforest Cafe.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I guess we're just closing this out. You got the appetizer this time?
Yeah, it was good. I mean, honestly, I'm just going to be honest, 100% honest with everyone. It is literally like a kind of expensive, like the food quality, I want to say Chili's or Applebee's, but I mean, you pay for the experience, and there's not, I mean, they have these nationwide, the Rainforest cafes, but I mean, they do have two in Disney Springs and Animal Kingdom, so I mean, it is kind of cool to come to just for the experience. And we are Landry's card members again, so we don't have to wait. So this is another reason we keep coming back. If we want to do a sit down last minute, we can just drive in for the day, eat, not have to wait more than 5 minutes per table, get, you know, decent quality food, get a really cool show amongst all of it all, and, you know, get to walk into the park after we're done. Yeah,
and like I said, I don't get any kickback for this, but if you're not a Landry's Club member and you are an annual pass holder, bite the bullet and get a Landry's Club card, because it is the best, quickest walk up and get a table on property.
What do we pay, like $20, $25 a year?
Yeah,
like
it's like $25.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's per year or if it's just $25.
We don't remember, but
and
anyway, yeah.
And they immediately give you a $25 reward,
yeah,
so when you come back, you get the money.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no reason not to do it, but we love Rainforest Cafe. T-Rex is good too. Yak and Yeti's good. Yeah. Was it Yak and Yeti or is it the other one?
Yak and Yeti.
Yak and Yeti's good. And there's, I want to say there's one other on property.
We haven't heard it yet, whatever it is.
I don't know.
And they do have a, you can check and see where you live too, because they do have a bunch of restaurants that aren't in Disney that they accept. Yeah,
back home we go to Joe's Crab Shack and all that, and that's Landry's as well. Yeah. But yeah, so that's it. Food was good. Experience was good. It's worth it. Yeah. It was easy to get in and sit down.
Especially if you have kids, it's really great for the kids.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. As always, stay dorky.